Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to use controls on the Nothing Ear 8. So, first of all, let's open up our Nothing X application, press Controls, and here we can see the list of them. So let's first start with the double pinch. So double pinch allows us to skip tracks, to skip forward, or to use our voice assistant. Let's go back now, choose a triple pinch. So triple pinch has the same options as the double pinch. Now pinch and fold. So here we have a little bit more. We have our noise control to turn noise cancellation on and off, volume up and volume down option. As the double pinch and hold, we can set up noise control, volume up, volume down, voice assistant, action, and no action. Non-customizable is a single pitch, however, it plays and pauses the music and answers or hangs up the calls. It goes just the same with the right headphone, so feel free to use it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.